Nice night. There's someone else out here. Hey. Come out. I know you're there. I'm giving you one last chance before I come to you. Come out. There you are. Oh. You're a wolf? Am I right? Yeah? How did you get here? Never mind that. Come on, let me take you back to the mansion. I can heal you there. You look hurt. You're not. The blood says elsewise. Come on, let me take you back, please. Please? Good puppy. My name. Oh. My name is Cody, but you can call me X-Virus. Oh, the name, X-Virus. It was given to me by my leader. Okay, cool. We'll be back soon. Hey, you look upset. You okay? You sure? Hey, don't nuzzle me like that. I was just making sure. You're a cute dog, you know. Anyways, we're here. Here, come in. It's okay. No one's going to hurt you. Come in. Mind the noise. My acquaintances are here.
That hurt.
Yeah.
Careful, damn
I think
it.
you've seen them around. Toby,
Sorry.
Eddie, Masky.
No, you're not.
Maybe even a little bit of Jeff and Ben. I bet you've heard their bickering. I know, I keep telling them to stop. They don't really, though. Come on, let's head to my room. I have stuff there that can heal you. It's okay, you can trust me. I promise. I won't bite. Oh, dear God. Or maybe we shouldn't go to my room. Why, well, you see, Toby's room is next to mine. I told him I was gonna be gone for a day or two. If he finds out I was back early, he's probably gonna beat my ass. So maybe we shouldn't. I mean, it's fine. I can. It's just, I don't need my ass being ripped open by a hatchet. Okay, I'm messing with you. Come in. Yeah, you can sit on my bed. That's fine. Alright, wait here. I'll go grab the bandages, okay? And I mean it. Stay put. Yeah, I'm back. Hey, are you okay? Come on, please be honest. You look so sad. Hey, whoa! Hey, why are you crying? Hey. Oh. Here, let me sit next to you. Alright. Tell me what's wrong. Come on, I'm a good listener. You got separated from your family. I'm sorry. That must be hard. No. Shh. It's okay. You can cry. Shh. I'm sorry. not good at this whole comforting thing. Wait, you weren't separated. They abandoned you. Oh, damn. That's tough. I'm so sorry. Shh, 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 shh. It's okay. Mm. Let it out, sweetheart. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, don't hide it from me. It's okay. I know how it feels to be abandoned like that. Like, it's like nobody cared. I know how that feels. My father, being a scientist and all, sometimes he was, focused on work instead of me. It got to one point where I was just hoping he would disappear. Hoping I would disappear. But it doesn't work that way, kid. Just keep your head up, okay? Come here, give me a hug. It's okay, I like hugs, and I'm not scared. Hey, shh, shh, shh. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Shh, Cody's here for you now. I won't let anything bad happen to you as long as you're with me, okay? Okay. Now, let me patch you up. And done. How's that feel? Yeah, you can sleep with me tonight. I promise. I'm fine. I don't sleep much anyways, though. But you can sleep with me tonight, I promise. Can't sleep, huh? And, you used to do something before bed. What was that? Howling, obviously. You're a wolf. I'm sorry, I'm not the best tonight. Don't worry. I'll make sure you're safe. I promise, my sweetheart. Nobody will ever hurt you. As long as I'm right with you. Feeling any better? Yeah, that's good, that's good. So, I didn't catch your name. That's beautiful. Well, I figured since you knew my name, it was at least time I knew yours, right? Hey, it's fine. You're allowed to be confused about my actions. Sure, what do you want to talk about? My past. I don't know if... Yes, I get it. You told me some things about you, but I don't like talking about my past. Maybe next time I'll tell you. For now, I'm just gonna keep that hidden until we know each other well enough. Oh, you're asleep. Alright. Good night, puppy. Sweet dreams.